Shah, and I'm currently working as a senior product manager in Booking.com in Amsterdam. I've had a quintessentially classic PM journey, so to speak, starting as a developer and then doing an MBA and now donning the business hat. I did my undergrad from BITS Pilani, Goa in computer science, and then I worked as a developer at eBay. Post that, I did my post-graduation from ISB Hyderabad, thereafter worked as a PM in Practo, before eventually moving to the Netherlands and to work at Booking. It's almost been 3 years here, and I've had the opportunity to work with a diverse set of people from all around the world and launch products in multiple markets in Europe, Asia, and the Americas. And I think I like all things product. Product gives me a lot of energy, and I enjoy sharing my learnings through various mentorship programs or speaking at conferences. So that's a little bit about me. So product management is a very unique profession, right? It sits right at the intersection of business, technology, and design. It's unique in the sense that the skills at play are so diverse, and yet it's so intangible. I think product management is a very challenging role, and there's as much science in it as much as there's art. And though it sounds intimidating, I truly believe that with the right amount of guidance and knowledge, and also understanding of self, it's something that anyone can really do. So let's break it down. I think in this masterclass, let's bust some myths and uphold some. My idea is that in this class, I'll introduce you to product management, what it is, and also what it's not. I'll try to take you through a good day in the life of a PM and a not so good day in the life of a PM as well. We'll discuss some of the career paths that to make it to this role, as well as the core competencies that will help you like the role as well as thrive in the role. And then once we've got a wholesome idea of what product management entails, we'll run through some quick industry examples and then see how the role can contribute to each of them. I think it's going to be a very fun session. It's going to be a very interactive session. And this course is for anybody who is very new to the PM role or is trying to pursue the PM role or has aspirations to become a product manager. And particularly if you're in B school right now, I think it's going to hold you in good stead. And I hope that you'll try to ensure that you come out knowing what it entails, what it takes to be a PM, and what you should consider before maybe taking the plunge. So hope to see you there in class.